This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
I'm back with Filmy Friday on your favorite radio station, Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. इतने सारे OTT रिलीजेस हैं कि क्या बताऊं. थिएटर रिलीजेस एक भी नहीं है. रीजनल सिनेमा है, बट आई चोज टू पिक द बेस्ट वंस ऑन OTT. क्योंकि सच कहूं तो आफ्टर द डिबाकल ऑफ वॉर 2 एंड कूली, ऐसा लगता है यार थिएटर में जा क्यों रहे हैं फिल्मों का एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए. एक्सेप्ट फॉर अ फ्यू फिल्म्स हियर एंड देयर, लिटरली फार एंड फ्यू इन बिटवीन. बाकी सारे तो मुझे लगता है एज फार एज कंटेंट गोज और एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग न्यू कंटेंट गोज, चाहे वो हॉरर हो, थ्रिलर हो, साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर हो या फिर सुपरनैचुरल थ्रिलर्स हो, ये सब कुछ OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर हो रहा है. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी this week that I will be taking you through all of them right here on your favorite radio station on Filmy Friday. Well, I am your host Annie. वैसे एक बात आपसे कहना ज़रूर चाहूँगी. अगर आपने War 2 देखा है for ऋतिक रोशन or maybe NTR Jr. that you're a fan of, then I want you to tell me how you liked it. मतलब कितना अच्छा लगा आपको. मैंने सुना है VFX is not good at all. एक्शन सीन्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. हर जगह से इन्होंने कूदने फांदने की कोशिश की है और एक्शन सीन्स को बाकायदा निभाया है ऋतिक रोशन ने अपने स्टाइल में और जूनियर NTR ने भी. तो इन दोनों की जो कश्मकश है वो बहुत अच्छी है. बट अदर देन दैट आई थिंक व्हेन इट कम्स टू कंटेंट और द स्टोरी और द प्लॉट, that is not as good as was expected for a film which has been distributed in 4,500 screens. और इन्होंने अब तक तो मतलब कॉस्ट भी कवर नहीं किया है ऑफ 400 crores दैट द मूवी War 2 इज मेड ऑफ. उसी तरह से रजनीकांत द लेजेंड को देखने के लिए लोग जा तो रहे हैं. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ज़रूर कमाया है देन War 2 बिकॉज रजनीकांत इज़ रजनीकांत द लेजेंड द किंग. पर येट अगेन इट हैज़ फॉलन फ्लैट व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रिडिक्टेबल प्लॉट लाइन्स. हो क्या रहा है यार. वाई वुड आई वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड सो मच मनी एंड गो वॉच अ मूवी इन अ थिएटर विच हैज़ गॉट अ प्रिडिक्टेबल स्टोरी, करेक्ट? Well, I'll take you through the OTT ones which are not predictable at all and are quite fresh to see on the screen. Stay tuned then.
हंसा, बिल अपलोड किए या फिर दिवाली शॉपिंग में बिजी हो?
शॉपिंग तो हो ही रही है, पर अलाइव वॉलेट पर भी खर्चा कर लो. डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी फुल पैसा वसूल है. 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है. और सुन अनकैप्ड रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो अब 31 अगस्त तक एक्सटेंड हो गई है.
वाह, तो पहले बिल्स अपलोड, फिर दिवाली पर गिल्ट फ्री गुलाब जामुन.
एग्जैक्टली. अलाइव ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और मिठाई से पहले हेल्थ का जुगाड़ करो.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi, this is Vivek from the technology department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio.
Hi everyone, this is Rahul from the hotel supply department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Head set go.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये Go MMT रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया. 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो Go MMT रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
OTT रिलीजेस के बारे में बताऊं तो इतने सारे हैं. द लिस्ट इज रियली रियली लॉन्ग एंड आई हैव पिक्ड अप द बेस्ट ऑफ देम फॉर यू. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मारीशन, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अवेटेड टाइटल्स दिस वीक. ओरिजिनली अ तमिल फिल्म स्टारिंग Fahad Fasil. So if you're a Fafa fan, then maybe you want to go for this. And Vadivelu. The story revolves around a man who deceives an amnesiac, मतलब जो भूलता है, भूलने की बीमारी है, उस पर कंट्रोल गेन करने की कोशिश करता है for his property. And of course it is filled with betrayal, emotional conflicts and unexpected twists. Streaming on Netflix. Talaivan Talaivi, Another major release, directed by Pandiraj and starring Vijay Sethupathi alongside Nitya Menon. The film, which released in theatres already on the 25th of July, now marks its first collaboration between the actors on Prime Video. Moving on to Hollywood now, Eeny Meeny. Now this is where a lady has got in touch with, or rather fate has brought them together, which is her unreliable ex-boyfriend, and she gets drawn back into her dangerous past when a former employer tasks her with saving this very unreliable ex-boyfriend. So there is gritty humor, relentless action, pulse pounding ride through betrayal and redemption. Interesting. Streaming on Jio Hotstar. Rivers of Fate, action-packed Brazilian mini-series hai, focusing on the intertwining stories of three characters: Janice, kidnapped by a sex trafficking ring; Prey, a reluctant gang leader; and Marie Angel, seeking vengeance for the death of her family. That's quite exciting. And their lives converge along the rivers of the Atlantic Amazon. Available on Netflix. Mission Impossible franchise, Ethan Hunt facing his most dangerous mission yet. Theatre release तो हुई थी, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया था, and now it is available on rent on Prime Video and Apple TV.
हंसा, स्वीट्स लेने गई थी, मेडिसिन्स भी लेनी थी. अलाइव वॉलेट चलेगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल चलेगा. बस डॉक्टर की वैलिड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होनी चाहिए. और अब कोई भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट, अरे वो हलवाई की दुकान के बाजू वाले से भी ले सकते हो.
परफेक्ट. तो अब लड्डू के साथ मेड्स भी सॉर्टेड. दिवाली प्रेप लेवल प्रो.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
This is Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. अब OTT पर इतने सारे releases है, क्या बताऊं? The list is literally endless. Gold Rush Gang, again on Netflix. A perfect blend of action, emotion, stylized visuals. It actually chronicles the mission of Kova Thang Song, which is played by Fetai Wongkamalao. Now we're talking about a Southeast Asian actor, a legendary Southern Thai bandit. Okay, he assembles a ragtag team of notorious orphans to raid a Japanese army train transporting gold treasures and to drive the invaders out of the country at the end of World War II. I think this is by far one of the most exciting plots really to go after. The Alto Knights on Jio Hotstar, starring Robert De Niro. If you're a huge fan of this legend, I am. He's in a dual role. It's a biographical crime thriller focusing on the escalating rivalry between two notorious organized crime bosses, Frank Costello and Vito Genovese, and they find themselves on a deadly collision course as they attempt for control over New York's streets. I was watching The Irishman and I think, this one is something that is right up my alley. Peacemaker Season 2 on Jio Hotstar, set after the events of Superman. Yeah, that release is here. Peacemaker marks the return of John Cena as Chris Smith, the Peacemaker, who continues to explore the multiverse, ultimately confronting a version of himself and Rick Flag Sr., who is adamant to avenge the death of his son. Quite nice. Invasion Season 3 on Apple TV. Picking up from where the previous season ended, the sci-fi alien saga follows the survivors who finally unite and function as a team to infiltrate the alien mothership. However, the ultimate apex aliens have also launched their attack on the planet. How is this going to end? Will the hero succeed in the high-stakes mission? You will find out when you watch it. Elio. It's Pixar's cosmic adventure. 11-year-old Elio, Solis, voiced by Jonas Kibrib, is accidentally beamed into space and mistaken for the official ambassador of Earth by a galactic council. Now he's suddenly thrust into this world of strange creatures and what happens thereafter. This is available to buy as well as rent on Prime Video and Apple TV. See, the rush on OTT platforms is so good, and if there's really a good one, whether it's a series or a film, I guess you're willing to rent, aren't you? Because one rent charge and the entire family can watch it. Yeah, it's just very practical. This is one of my favorite Australian series. Fisk hai iska naam. Helen Tudor Fisk. This character is played by Kitty Flanagan. She's now a name partner at Gruber and Fisk and must navigate a firm sinking into chaos in season 3. Kafi mazedar hai. Very good Australian humor if you're up for it. On Netflix. Moving on to Twisted Tale of Amanda Knox. Now, this is the true story of Amanda Knox, an American student who was wrongfully convicted for the 2007 murder of her roommate, Meredith Kircher, while studying in Italy. It's a series that follows the twists of the investigation, the media frenzy that painted her guilty, and her relentless legal fight to clear her name. ये डेफिनेटली हम देखेंगे स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन हॉटस्टार. द लास्ट वन, वेल नो देयर आर 2 more to go. No, 3 more to go. I told you, no, 4 more to go. Oh my God. Well, after that, Hostage, British Prime Minister Abigail Dalton and French President Vivienne Toussaint are forced into a tense alliance when Dalton's husband, which is the British Prime Minister's husband, is kidnapped during a high-profile summit. Action है, thrill है, देखना ज़रूर on Netflix. 8 new pairs of everyday heroes. Now, this is the take on James Bond themed challenges in this reality show, if I could call it, 007 Road to a Million Season 2. It is hosted once again by Brian Cox as a sardonic controller. बिल्कुल हमारे खतरों के खिलाड़ी जैसे यहाँ पर गेम्स हैं. इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा ही बड़े बड़े स्टंट्स हैं. बैंकॉक टावर को स्केल करना है. You have to dive with sharks, to bungee jumping, answering rapid fire questions, all aiming to survive each episode's killer question, and you then come closer to winning the £1 million grand prize. Wow, that is something. Bigger risks, deeper drama, and even more Bond flair. काफी अलग है, नया शो है, जरूर देखिएगा on Prime Video. Aima, set in 80s South Korea during a time of cultural upheaval and lifted censorship. Aima follows 2 actresses in the series. One is a seasoned star and the other a newcomer, and they are navigating the male-dominated film industry. काफी अच्छा plot है on Netflix. And the last one, Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, when Michelin-starred chef Yeon Ji-young time slips from the height of her culinary career into the opulent yet perilous court of Joseon, who's the king. She finds herself cooking for the king now. Now, the king is very good with his palate, but his reign, which is his rule, is something that everybody is scared of. And तो एक मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ अपना जो है रेस्टोरेंट छोड़कर अब किंग के लिए कुक कर रही है. क्या यहाँ पर फ्यूजन कुजीन होता है, रॉयल पॉलिटिक्स होता है, everything that she witnesses and everything else in between. I think it's a good plot that you can watch. With that, I've come to the close of all the OTT releases. On the other side, I will return with Social Spotlight for this week.
Social Spotlight on GoMMT Radio.
दिस इज फिल्मी फ्राइडे. इतने सारे OTT वेब सीरीज और फिल्मों के बारे में आपके साथ मैंने बातें की है पूरे शो पर. बट बिफोर आई क्लोज, आई हैव टू टेक यू थ्रू सोशल स्पॉटलाइट. क्या चल रहा है हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर. द 25th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ MMT इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग ऑन इन द बैकग्राउंड, और उसी के साथ साथ इतने सारे ऑफर्स, एंड व्हिच इज व्हाई यू कैन नाउ यूज कोड इंस्टा बैश एंड बुक फॉर योर नेक्स्ट ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन ड्यूरिंग द मेक माई ट्रिप्स द बिग ट्रैवल बैश and get up to 35% off on flight stays, packages and more. खुद को तो पता अगर नहीं होगा तो अब आपको पता लग गया है. Tell your neighbors, strangers, friends, relatives, make the most of this. Well, let's move on to what else is happening. The visa-free e-visa and visa on arrival. Because there are many places that you can go to where there are no visas required. For instance, the top 4 e-visa destinations जिनके बारे में आपको ध्यान में रखना है. There are different budgets also that you can keep in mind. अब एम्बेसी अपॉइंटमेंट से लेकर वीजा होना ना होना आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. All you've got to do is get in touch with Make My Trip. So take a look at all of this. Now let's move to World Photography Day, जो आप MMT और Go Ibibo पर भी पाएंगे. Offers हैं, make the most of it and get all the picturesque travels that you've made and you're dreaming to make become a reality with the help of Make My Trip. Let's also talk about the full Vasool destination on Go Ibibo, from beaches and budget stays in Bali. क्या offers हैं? Check out the Instagram handle again. With that, I've come to the close of Social Spotlight for today. और इतने सारे वेब सीरीज के बारे में मैं बता चुकी हूँ. You've got to catch up on as many as you can over the weekend. And do send in your thoughts about what you think of the series that maybe you ended up watching, or the ones that you did not want to watch but ended up watching and loved them. I'd like to know too. You can send in your emails to Varsha or to Virender. This is Filmy Friday. I'm going to be back on Monday. I'm your host, Annie. Till then, stay cheerful and keep planning all the trips that you've been waiting for.
Go MMT Radio.
Channel your creativity and caring to bring a smile to your customer today. Hello, I'm Prakash Sangam and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go Ibibo and Redbus.